Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can install Correlation Plus. Correlation Plus is a Python package that you can use for calculation, visualization and analysis of dynamical correlations. Additionally, you can do sequence correlations, coevolutions or conservations. You can plot them. Conservation of sequence also with Correlation Plus. And you can do network analysis also. But first I would like to show you installation from the source, and my assistant is my son. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, let's start now. Okay, I will first check which Python version I have. Now I have Python 3.7 and we recommend Python 3.6 and above for Correlation Plus. And of course, I recommend, if you can do it, Anaconda Python. Okay, now let's assume we have necessary elements, and let's create a virtual environment so that your installation will not intervene with any of your other modules, etc. So let's start by creating a virtual environment called Python m-m vmv core plus environment. This is my Correlation Plus environment. Okay, now I will go to inside the environment and I will activate my environment. Source bean activate. Now my Correlation Plus environment is activated. I would like to create a new folder, maker called src, and I will go to src. Now I will here copy from Git the latest version from GitHub, my GitHub. Okay, it depends on your internet access speed. Okay, now let's do an lslrt and see if we have the folder. Yes, we have the folder. Now I will go to inside this folder, Correlation Plus folder. Before doing anything, I want to update pip install pip. Okay, I have version 19, but I'm updating it to version 21. And after that, we can do, we are inside source, and inside source, inside Correlation Plus package. I will say pip install, okay, execute here from the setup file from here. I am using macOS 10.14 as far as I remember. Okay, about this Mac, let's see. Okay, oh, 10.15, sorry, Catalina. Okay, now it's installing it. It can take some time depending on many factors, your machine, etc., speed of your machine, etc. But the most difficult part actually, or the most time consuming part, is MD analysis library installation of it. But it is still very useful for especially trajectory analysis. Okay, it is setting MD analysis, and finally, yeah, we will wait till the end. You can, okay, yeah, that's it. Now, if everything went well for you also, you can do Correlation Plus, and if you just do Correlation Plus, let's see if it works for us now. Okay, it will give you basic help. We have 3 essential major modules, and you can do Correlation Plus, visualize, help, for example, here to see the available options, or Correlation Plus calculate help to see help for available options. And finally, let's do the analyze and let's stop the video here. In the coming videos, I will try to show you how to use step by step from calculate module to the analysis module, how to use correlation plus. That's it for now. Is it easy, my assistant? Yes.
Yes, that's it.
Yes, that's it. Have a good evening.